Yo. So it's been about 20 minutes now and still haven't received an order yet. Well, I did get one, but like it was $4 going 7.5 miles. So obviously did not take it. Finally got the first order. This is going to be champ pizza, $10 going just under 3 miles. Thank you. I don't know about you guys, but cauliflower is not what I wanted to smell first thing in the morning. That was vile. I had to literally drive with the window down because I was on the verge of gagging. Just got the next order. This is going to be McDonald's going 3.5 miles. I saw somebody standing outside on the other side of the building, which could mean the lobby's closed, but it should have been open like 15 minutes ago, so... Yeah, we're not going to go all the way around the building just to get in the drive-thru. Not today. Oh, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but we're also doing earn by time, as per usual. Current rate is $17 an hour, and that one ended up being $7. And now we're back to waiting another half an hour for the next order. Finally got the next order. This is going to be Black Rock Coffee going 5 miles. Thank you. Hand it to me. Bro, just go to sleep.
You?
Have a good one. Total for that one was $6 and change, which isn't very good, but like, honestly, most of the time was just waiting for it to be made. Hopefully I get the next order soon though. Next up, we've got a Voodoo Donut. This one is $18 going, I think it's at 12 miles. Could be wrong though, it might be a little bit more. Thank you.
Okay.
Bro, we are in the middle of nowhere. Took forever to even get back into my zone, but we got an order. This is going to be Starbucks going 3.5 miles. Total for that order was $7. Just got the next order. This is McDonald's, $7 and change going 4 miles. This one might not be ready because I just got the order and, well, I'm here. Thank you. Small order. That was done pretty quickly. I'll take it. Got the next order right away. This is going to be Taco Bell going 6.5 miles.
Is that put in the straws in the bag?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. For sure.
Have a good one. Total for that order was just under $9. Not bad. And we got the next one right away. This is Seize the Bagel going 5 miles.
Yes. All right, there's that for you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You as well. Total for that order was $7. Just got the next order. This is Black Rock Coffee, $8 going 5.5 miles.
There you go. Have a good one.
See you, thank you. Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $9 going 4 miles, 4 items. ready for their Spanish lesson. Watermelon in Spanish is sandia. Sandia. And their little note, it says, if it's hot, I'll tip more. Should I throw on my heater, get this watermelon nice and warm? Next up, we've got Cupidone coffee going 6 miles. Hello. Just gotta pick up for Kelsey. Thank you. Oh, this one would be on the top floor. Total for that order was $8 and change. I swear this happens like every day pretty much. As soon as it's around like 10 a.m., it just goes completely dead, which I guess is my cue to call it and go home. So current time is 10:08. Current total, we are at 93, and I think I'm still waiting on 1 Uber tip. Should bring it up to, I think 99, maybe 100 if it gives me a higher tip than it showed me, but probably not. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.